Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, the ADA chart continues to be in this ongoing correction here probably. Okay, maybe wave 5 has started. I don't have very strong evidence for it, but it's possible, so we're going to take a look at that. Looking at the bigger picture here on the daily chart, this is a potentially unfolding 5-wave move to the upside. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. The market recently reacted to our support or trading area here in yellow and has possibly started the move up in wave 5 and possibly targeting 85 to 95 cents. I have to say though that with this structure obviously still one more high is outstanding to get to a good setup. Bear in mind Matic already is a step ahead. Matic already produced 5 waves up and Matic is currently most likely in a so-called wave 2 pullback. Whereas ADA is in a wave 4 pullback. These are never setups that are very clear, and they are never setups that are as good as 1-2 setups. Very important. So I don't suggest that this is a good chart. We are dealing with an ongoing diagonal. Trading within a diagonal is always difficult, always challenging. Can be traded, maybe more for seasoned traders. But there is no need to trade 3-4 or 4-5 setups if, for example, there are setups that are giving us clear 1-2 structures, okay? And they are just often much better, much more attractive. And ADA, yeah, I mean, if ADA can form 5 waves, then also here we have a potential wave 1, and then we can be watching for a potential wave 2 pullback next. But please be aware that at the moment, the situation on this chart isn't very clear yet because we are only dealing with movements within a diagonal, and so far the chart has only produced 3 waves to the upside, not 5, like for example Matic and some other coins have already done it. That makes eventually the interpretation challenging, but also the trading challenging, because we haven't got very clear structure that would tell us that with a high likelihood a higher low is going to hold. So I just need to repeat that for everybody who's not so familiar with Elliott wave. Best setups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once these 5 waves are complete, we can explore if this is a so-called wave 1, indicates the trend is up, and then a 3-wave pullback like what Matic is doing in an A, B, C structure should give us a wave 2 and a support zone. Yeah, this here at the moment is not a great setup. Just have to highlight that again. Okay, so, and we see that because the market is currently just moving in corrective structures still, while it's possible that the wave 4 already bottomed. I mean, the support area already generated a profitable trade for anybody who tried to look for entries here. But, you know, the move up is only in 3 waves and it could easily dip lower again into the support area, back into the yellow support area again. So what we're currently exploring here is that in this diagonal pattern, 3 waves topped so far, or the 3rd wave topped on the 9th of December. Then a 4th wave might have bottomed on the 8th of January. And we're now exploring if the 5th wave into that already mentioned target zone has started. If the 5th wave has started, well, it's only possible as some kind of a corrective messy structure. I'm not labeling the whole thing because it's not possible at this stage. We have to take it level by level. The only reason, or the only way how I can see that possibly the 5th wave is unfolding already, it's going to be as an ABC structure, obviously, because we're dealing with a diagonal, and this would have to be an ABC, and then maybe this is a larger A, we get a B and a C. So it's going to be very messy. To keep that idea alive, the price should hold above 49.3 cents. Any break below that level will likely lead to invalidation of this idea and will likely lead to a reset of this wave 4 a little lower. So the orange support area is literally just micro support, ideal support for this B wave pullback in a possibly already unfolding wave 5. A break below that level takes us to the invalidation point, which is 46.5 cents. Below that level, the yellow main support area still becomes relevant. The yellow area is still the main support zone on the chart for wave 4, okay? The orange box is literally just for the idea that maybe wave 5 has already started. So that means a break below 49.3 cents is our signal that the wave 4 is likely going to extend and reset a little lower. And then we have support at 43.8 cents and 38.8 and 34.5 cents. Please also be aware that in this diagonal pattern, there is a trend line. Yeah, there's a parallel trend channel that has developed here, and that might provide some additional support as well. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. You can find the links in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.